if your Kundalini energy is awake, your lovemaking takes on a whole new dimension. And that's what we're going to discuss today. So, presuming your Kundalini is awake, let's see how you can enjoy it more during your lovemaking. Right. So when your Kundalini is awake, you are connecting to divine life source within yourself, and it flows through your body like streams of light, like streams of information, spiritual connection that flows through your body. I'm going to talk you through very briefly on what to do. Number one is it is crucial that you connect to your own energy. Switch your body on. Switch your Kundalini energy on. Now you can do this through breathing into your body or through touching your body, even in a sensual way. And start moving your body and feeling your own body in a sensual way. And start feeling like all the lights are lighting up, like you can feel everywhere, like you are completely present in your body and you can just feel everything, all the sensations and all the emotions that are present in your body. And you pull more awareness into this aliveness within your body with your breath, right? Now you can also assist each other as lovers to go into that presence into each person's body. And you can do that with foreplay. And here we're going to do receive and give to the one person completely and solely for a while. And then we're going to swap that around. So the first person receiving, then you agree you're only going to receive. And this person only gives. Can imagine, gives love, gives attention, gives adoration, gives recognition, and touches the receiver's body with full awareness. And touch this body everywhere, like everywhere. Don't just immediately go for the erogenous zones. Really light up all the energy centers and feel this flow of life force throughout the entire body. Like as you're touching your partner, you're really guiding them deeper and deeper into their bodies, and watch their breathing as they're receiving, whether they're really with the touch. And you can touch very slowly to make sure that full awareness stays under the touch, both from the giver and the receiver. The giver and the receiver. And just feel like you're lighting this body up with sensations, and it can even be quite sensual. Moving through the entire body all the way to the fingertips and toes and top of the head and absolutely everywhere on the body. And then you can swap space, swap positions, and the other person can then receive, and this one gives, and that gives an opportunity for the receiver to go into a deep internal body meditation when full awareness gets brought into the body and aliveness. And after you've done that, then you start interacting, but now both bodies are lit up with awareness. There's like streams of deliciousness already moving through the body. And then when you start touching each other, it's like both people's awareness is totally online, and touching the other person with full awareness, becoming aware how this stream of intelligence that moves through the body and touches the other body, and that stream of intelligence can flow through the other body and then back to this body, whether you're touching with your mouths, with your shoulders, you can use your entire body, whether you've got your backs against each other, maybe your legs or your cheek, maybe a cheek against the chest, and just feeling the full aliveness flowing through this body and flowing through that body. Now we've got these beautiful snake-like lights that are connected to the divine life source within every party, every one of the lovers, and they start playing with this telepathic awareness and sensations that flow through the body, and quite naturally it weaves, and you can feel how this awareness can really weave together like two snakes intertwining and mixing the energy of their full bodies, all their chakra systems. You can feel the love making going up your spine and down your spine, and you can rotate it between you and your partner. You can imagine balls of light just being rotated between you and your partner. You can reverse them. You can have them in all kinds of directions flowing between the two of you. And then when you add the base chakra, you see it as a potent energy center that connects up through the spine and down the spine, and the whole light body gets amplified and weaving together and feeling more 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 and feeling more. And then when we have that grand explosion, it's two energies exploding together. And that creates a much stronger connection with life source, because you can connect to life source and your Kundalini energy on your own. But now when you start weaving with a friend and you start playing with these balls of sensation and energy, it's like you've got a completely amplified energetic system going, and it's very delicious to be in it, and you can stay in a state of bliss for a very long time with your partner while you're weaving this energy. It's a completely different way of lovemaking. It also comes in waves of intensity. There are very soft and gentle waves, and then there are more crashing waves, and then it might continue again into calmer waves. And you will notice how there's like a beautiful telepathy happening between the two people, as well as a nourishing of each other's energy field. Like we're celebrating this energy field that flows through your partner's body and through your body. And with the lovemaking, you are adding fuel to sensation in your body, and you're adding fuel to this Kundalini connection, and you are using it and weaving it in the most sacred, connected to life, to source energy. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's nourishing. It's spiritually aligning. It's loving. It's loaded with telepathy. It helps you to build a much deeper connection with your partner and a much deeper spiritual connection within yourself. Please ask me questions. I would love to answer them. Questions pertaining to making love with Kundalini energy. I love you.